So this technique of playing the guitar is called fingerpicking or fingerstyle, and there's different ways to do it. I like to not use my fingernails at all. I'm using what's called the pad, or you could just say the skin or flesh. So again, there's no fingernail used at all. It's this part of the finger. You can use all 5 fingers, but most fingerstyle players use the thumb, the index or pointer finger, middle finger, and ring finger. For most of the time, you'll play the thicker strings with your thumb like this. And it'll vary depending on what else you're doing, but the thinner strings or higher strings you play with these fingers. And there's different patterns. You can go in order like this, or you can come back, or just kind of mix it up. So there's a lot of different options, but what you'll want to practice is each finger being able to do what you want when you want. So I'm not doing a chord right now, I just have this hand just resting here. And you can do something like this. Just any pattern to get your thumb going and be comfortable with it, and that your fingernail's not hitting the string unless you want it to. And then these fingers, you don't want to get into the habit of going in the same pattern, the same direction, but mix it up. And then mix it up with the thumb as well. So focus on this hand, and then once you get the hang of it, you can start to do some chords. This is how to strum. And what I did there is I had my hand open, so I'm not pretending that I have a pick in my hand. I used to do that, but I found that it was using a lot of my nails. And what I'm going for here is not using my nails at all. I'm using what's called the pad of my thumb. And that's just like if I had a pick and I was doing the down motion, or a down strum. I'm just using my thumb like this. So here it is really slow. So again, I'm not using any of my fingernail at all. And here it is a little faster, and I'll play some different chords. So that's just down picking, or in this case just down strumming with our thumb. And now I'll demonstrate for the up motion, this finger right here to go like this. So again, there's no fingernail used at all, it's this part of the finger. So I'll demonstrate down and up. So this is the same motion in my arm that I would do if I had a pick. And the only difference is I don't have these two fingers together. I have them apart like that. My arm isn't stiff and my wrist isn't stiff. There's a little bit of motion in my wrist and there's kind of a turning going on. When I go down, it's like that. When I go up, I twist the other way. And now I'll demonstrate while playing some different chords. Speed up a little bit. Now a little bit slower. A lot slower. Well, I hope you got something out of this video. If you did, please let me know in the comments. And if you'd like to watch more of my videos, just search Guitarincrease. My name is Brett. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thank you for watching my videos. I appreciate you.